So even though Xiaomi has already launched its Xiaomi 17 series, including the devices the standard Xiaomi 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max and the 17 Ultra. And now there will be another edition, the Xiaomi 17 Max. And fortunately, we already got numerous key details on it, indicating this won't simply be a larger version of the standard variant. So let's get started. So the Xiaomi 17 Max will feature a flat 6.9 inches OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 1.5K resolution. That's the same screen size as the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. Now, design-wise, though we still lack any glimpse of the handset, but different past rumors claimed it will not have the rear display that we saw on the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. Instead, design-wise, the 17 Max will be closer to the standard Xiaomi 17. And I'm guessing it will be in between the standard Xiaomi 17 and the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. Now, camera-wise, the notable difference is in the main camera. So there's said to be a 200 megapixel primary camera on the Xiaomi 17 Max, which is significantly higher resolution compared to the 50 megapixel on the Xiaomi 17 and the 17 Pro Max. However, when it comes to the more important aspect, the sensor size, the 17 Max is tipped to have a 1/1.4 inches, making it slightly smaller than the Xiaomi 17 and the 17 Pro Max. Now, though a high resolution means a better picture when cropping, but having a bigger physical sensor size that the Xiaomi 17 and the 17 Pro Max have in this case means their sensors can capture more light and offer better low light performance. So they will be better in overall image quality. But of course, we can better judge once the handset comes out. The next sensor on the 17 Max will be a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with the sensor size of 1/1.95 inches. This is the same as on the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, but better compared to the standard Xiaomi 17, which came with a traditional telephoto and a smaller sensor size. The third sensor on the 17 Max is said to be the 50 megapixel ultra wide. Moving on, the Xiaomi 17 Max is tipped to feature the largest battery in the lineup, the 8000 mAh with 100W wired and 50W wireless charging support. While on the performance side, there will be the flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Now, while there are no details on its launch date, but some leaks suggest it could be launched in May. Anyway, the Xiaomi 17 Max will be a proper flagship device with quite a powerful camera system and top-notch performance. Let me know what are your thoughts on this, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.